Hello friends. Now I explain the smart way to get Eclairview Python certification. This certification, Eclairview Python certification, has been developed using international standards. What are the international standards? In international standards, mainly the knowledge of a student or examinee is tested in three aspects. The first one is conceptual command, the second one the presence of mind, and third one is IQ. In fact, no question in the international certification examination is direct. In order to understand the question itself, you must have all these criteria. That means conceptual command, presence of mind and IQ. After understanding question only, obviously you can answer it. That is the main distinction between college oriented examinations and the international certification examination. The point you have to understand. Our certifications are developed exactly using international standards. That's why if you want to write any prominent international certification also, very easily you can write. That's why it is like a preparatory examination. That point you must remember. And one more important point you must notice is, most of you feel that if you have good qualification and good percentage of marks are great, it ensures your job. In my view, it is 10% truth. That is because if you have good qualification and good percentage of marks, it ensures a gate pass. That means an interview call. So once you enter into the job interview hall, your marks or qualification do not have any role. There, your employability, your knowledge and programming skills play a vital role. For ensuring that or enable you to acquire that, international certification plays a key role. Actually, because of this international certification, you can derive number of benefits. The first one is it creates a lot of exposure, because very few of your contemporaries are same qualified or having same qualification, and it provides you great elevation. You are unique among thousands of contemporaries, and the most important is your competition in job market is reduced more than 99%. For example, there are 10,000 competitors because they are equally qualified with a good marks. Those are competitors in the job market. Once you acquire the international certification, there may be maximum 10 competitors for you. Out of 10,000, especially in India, only 10% or less than 10% are having international certifications. That's why your competition is enormously reduced. It ensures your job. And there are many other benefits, because every international certification covers or deals with all intricacies and complexities in the concepts as well as in programming. That's why you will be well versed with all complexities and intricacies in a subject. You can face an interview very effectively. You never have any tension about the interview, because they cannot ask you any intricate question than what you learnt already through the international certification examination. So you enjoy interviews. And one more thing, you master subject, because if you are well versed with all the intricacies in subject, obviously you will be a master in the subject, no doubt about that. And one more very important advantage I am telling you, getting first certification, international certification, is no doubt difficult, because it is totally a different environment, a different type of preparation. Once you are well versed on that, then you can get n number of certifications. N number of certifications is not a big thing. Already tuned up with the procedure. Already once I told you, learning first programming language is very difficult for everybody. Thereafter, you can learn n number of programming languages with much ease. In the same manner, getting first international certification in any language is difficult, no doubt about that. For that, concrete preparation is required. Once you achieve that, it will be like a cakewalk. You can try for n number of certifications, and definitely you will succeed. That point you must remember. Thereafter, actually, after getting job, one thing I am telling you, it ensures our first job 100%. After that, once you join a company, generally you will have special respect, and most companies are paying 10 to 20% higher salaries to the certificate holders, international certificate holders, because to encourage them. And apart from that, many foreign clients specially ask for the certification clients, international certification holders, for their services. And in this manner, there are many n number of advantages by getting the certification. By that, you can acquire employability, and you can ensure your job, and you get more esteem, and you get higher salaries. Actually, if you come to our system through our LMS, Ekalavya Learning Management System, we are providing training for the certification. That's why you must understand the modus operandi of LMS. Then only you can understand the smart way of getting Ekalavya Python certification. In my previous lectures regarding a roadmap, I advise you, in order to evolve as an industry-ready programmer and ensure your first job in a software industry, you must have 3 R's: a right course, right strategy, and the right system. In the previous lectures, I detailedly explained about the right course and the right strategy. Now I explain about the right system. If you have chosen a right course and right strategy also, if you do not have right system, you cannot derive the ensured benefit. A system should provide all the services which you require in an integrated manner. For this purpose, we have developed a single window system. Probably this is the first of its kind, and named it as Ekalavya Learning Management System. Actually, this is placement training. You must manage your training. You must manage your studies in order to complete within the time frame. That's why it is learning management system, Ekalavya Learning Management System, simply LELMS. And one very important thing I have to tell you: if you are a software career aspirant and undergo this placement training, you register for LMS. Here the link is there, lms.ekalavyuniversities.com. Simply watching lectures, you get, in my view, get only 25% of the benefit. And it may not be useful for evolving as an industry-ready programmer. That's why you watch the lectures and get the other services through the single window, through this LMS. So you enroll, it is a free enrollment. You enroll for elms.ekalavyuniversities.com. And if you see that we are providing true placement training, we have redefined the norms of placement training. Here you can find 4 courses: Python placement training, C placement training, Java placement training, quantitative skills placement training. Out of the four, C, Java and quantitative skills, we are providing absolutely free. No single pie is charged. As far as Python placement training is concerned, first module is totally provided free. Thereafter, we charge nominally. And one more important feature is we are providing customized campus placement training program to all colleges who are interested. If you are an administrator of any college, if you want to avail this program, customized campus placement training program, on your college name, we create a program and provide it to you. By that program, you can monitor the performance of your students in our college. For this, we never charge, we don't charge a single pie. It is absolutely free program. Already some colleges in Bangalore registered for this course, and many colleges are interested. And if you are interested, you can contact us. By that, we can provide you the free training program. That point you have to understand. And in this context, one very important thing I have to tell you. Whatever may be your knowledge over C, Java, C++ and all that, keep aside. Now, start with Python. Why I am telling you about Python? Already I told you the reason. Then, first you prepare Python. Thereafter, if you want to learn and master other languages like C family, C, C++, Java and all that, for each language, only 1 month period is more than enough, including acquiring the certification. That point you have to understand and focus on Python placement training. Now, I explain about the services provided by our LMS. Actually, we have redefined the software career placement training. Most of you feel that by watching some lectures or reading some books or attending some classes, you get the employability required for the software industry. That is not true. In order to evolve as a complete industry ready programmer and ensure your first job in software industry, you require multiple services in an integrated manner. They are video lectures, e-book, daily monitoring tests, instant doubt clarification, continuous updating concepts as well as projects, soft skills, placement assistance up to until you get the job. All these services should be provided in an integrated manner through a single vendor. That's why we have developed this LMS. This LMS mainly provides you three things: training, monitoring and the certification. So, now I explain about each and every individual service. By that, you can have a knowledge about that and pursue the course, and ultimately you can master the subject as well as you can acquire the certification. Now, I explain about the features and functionalities of individual services of our LMS. This schedule here. The first one is video lectures. This model is first of its kind. In this model, we are providing in a hybrid way. One is the conventional way of writing on the board. The second one is the presentation using PPTs. Because of that, you can derive tremendous benefit. As I told you already, in order to evolve as an industry-ready programmer, you must have employability. That means you must have perfect command over concept. Thereafter, you must have programming skills. By this type of explanation, while understanding concept only, you can view the code both at a time. That's why You will have an opportunity to understand every element of the code, every element of the program. Thereafter, hands-on approach is a must. Then, while you are writing program on your own, you need not copy. Then, just like that, you can write code. Any problems are there, any mistakes are there, you can refer the code and rectify that. Ultimately, you can acquire programming skills. That means you are acquiring conceptual command as well as programming skills simultaneously. That means you are acquiring employability. This is possible because of this presentation. And as I told you already, this course, Core Python, covers 400 concepts and 300 supporting programs or projects. For every concept and every program, I have given explanation like this. That's why you feel like a better classroom. Because if a classroom is there, if you have a good teacher, for a particular time you have to attend the class. If you miss one class also, you cannot get it back, you cannot retrieve it again. But it's not like this. Whenever you want, all your free times you can use as productive study times. Whenever you want, you can watch that. If you want once again, you can watch it until you get perfection over that. So, you can acquire employability through this hybrid model very easily and very smartly. The second one is e-book. Actually, without having book, simply listening, you may not get perfection. You don't go away from reading and writing habits. Those are really natural habits for a human being. That's why we are providing you free e-book. Just enroll for our LMS and then you can download e-book chapter wise. Actually, what I advise, being a mentor, I advise all the people, have a hard copy. Actually, this is not a theoretical study, the application oriented study. If we have the hard copy on hand, whatever code I am explaining, then and there you can view that. You can have better grasping, a better ease to refer the code. That is my advice. That's why you can download the ebook. And for every chapter, I am providing that. Thereafter, daily monitoring tests. Actually, there are 20 chapters in this course. Every chapter we made as one unit. If you are really committed, it is not a big thing for you to complete one chapter a day or maximum 2 days. Then, immediately after completion of study or working out programs, you write the monitoring tests. Because without monitoring your knowledge, you cannot instill the confidence in the subject. So you test and trust. For this purpose, we are providing daily monitoring tests. Actually, the minimum pass percentage is 60%. Don't limit to 60%. Why you should sacrifice or forego 40%? That's why minimum target for 90%. If you get 60%, okay, you are declared pass in that unit test. But don't satisfy with that and try n number of times you write and try to get 90%. By that, you will be perfect over in that unit. That means in that chapter. If all is well, it ends well. So, if you are perfect over each and every chapter in the course, ultimately you will be perfect over entire course. That point you have to understand that. And you may write the test n number of times. And thereafter, instant doubt clarification. In our LMS, one facility we provide, whenever you get a doubt after studying the course, then if you get any doubt, I already told you, never get a doubt. It is 100% doubt free. If you feel a doubt, I feel I am blessed, then you post your question, immediately you get the instant reply for that, response for that. Or otherwise, we create a platform. Other students who are preparing like you also can respond to that. In that way, we are providing instant doubt clarifications. Thereafter, continuous updating of concepts and projects. Actually, whatever course I am providing right now is not entirety. Every time it is very dynamic subject. That's why updating concepts as well as program are required. That's why periodically, every month, once or twice, we provide you the advanced elements of the updating of the concepts, and we provide you new projects also, and we provide you corresponding videos also. The next item, soft skills. The term soft skills include many elements, mainly arithmetical aptitude skills, reasoning, and interview facing skills, etc. In our module in the LMS, we are mainly focusing on quantitative aptitude skills. Quantitative aptitude skills are very much essential for every programmer. Without having quantitative aptitude skills, they never evolve as a good programmer. Quantitative aptitude skills include arithmetical aptitude and knowing about different programming domains. Analogically, I have to explain the importance of these soft skills. Actually, by studying programming languages, you can collect different types of flowers like C flowers, C++ flowers, Java flowers, Python flowers, like that. But your clients want the garlands. In order to transform flowers into a garland, what you require? You require a string or thread. Soft skills play that role, have a string or thread. So, without having soft skills, you never evolve as a proficient programmer. That is the importance of soft skills. In this module, we are almost covering 30 plus concepts. By studying all these concepts, you can improve your arithmetical aptitude, and you will well aware of many problem domains which are required for programming, like true discount, banker discount, simple interest, compound interest, time and distance, etc. All the concepts you understand, and you can work out different programs on that. By that, you can enrich your arithmetical skills, as well as you will be well aware of different problem domains which are used in the programming domain. That is the importance of soft skills. Thereafter, placement assistance. Actually, as I told you already, software industry is in dire need of industry-ready programmers. By integrated study of all these elements, you can enrich your basic industry readiness, and you will be evolved as a industry ready programmer for your first job in the software industry. So, once you complete this course and if you pass all the certification exam conducted by us, then we introduce you as the right candidate to the software industry. For that you need not do anything. So, through our Eclavia placement platform, we can provide you elevation before the software industry. Automatically you can get calls from the companies, and because of your employability, you can write the test, or you can face the interview. Ultimately, you will succeed in the selection process. Job is not at all an issue at all, because there is ample demand for industry ready programmer, and through our LMS we are evolving you as the industry ready programmer. Until you get a good job, we provide you a continuous placement assistance. Finally, I want to tell you one thing regarding certification. Eclavia Python certification. Already I told you, for every unit there is an examination, that is unit test. Thereafter, In this course there are 20 chapters, and every 5 chapters are made as a module. So there are 4 into 5. There are 4 modules in that. For every module you have to write a module test that is on cumulative basis, and at the end you write Python certification, core Python certification test. In this test we are totally provided, as on the day we have developed 1000+ questions. So if you write examination on 1000 questions by different iterations, definitely you will be well versed with each and every element of the concept as well as program. That's why thereafter you can face any interview very easily, and if you want to write any international certification, very easily you can write, and ultimately you can acquire that certification. By that, just all this you may require 1 month time if you are in a position to prepare 6 hours a day, 6 hours a day on average basis, then within 1 month you can finish this course. As I told you already, in this 50% credit is entitled by us, and 50% credit goes to the Python language. Because of its simplicity and easy to learn nature, we could develop this system, and wish you all the best.